Hey, my name is Ashlyn, and I'm the founder and CEO of Because. Just going to take you through a quick overview of the latest and greatest in our platform and how it all works. So, we're a female founded tech startup. We've been around for about 2 years. We got started out of Boston, which is the same city that companies like Klaviyo and Privy got started out of. We've raised almost $4 million in funding from investors like Stage 2 Capital, Harlem Capital, and Shopify Angels. We work with over 1,200 Shopify merchants, including brands like Tomboy X, Hello Kitty, and Duke. We help to embed text-based content into your product pages, collection pages, and cart, all without the need for a developer, and all with a super easy focus on A/B testing. We can embed all of your content in a matter of minutes through our easy-to-use editor, and all of that is set up with rules that basically determine when and where your content will show based on data like site visitor data, cart data, product data, and customer data. Let me show you a little bit about how it works. So you first come into the platform and you go to create a campaign. I'm just going to choose to create a product page campaign. You go into our editor experience, and here is where you can edit all of your copy. So let's say this item qualifies for free shipping. And what we'll do in the next step is we'll determine when and where this will show. So we'll go to the rules engine and we'll basically set up a rule that says, I want to show this if the price of my product is greater than $100. Let's say we have a free shipping threshold of $100. Let's say we wanted to do a different campaign that said like low stock, selling out quickly. What we could do here is we could set up a product rule type that would say if the inventory stock is less than 20, we could add another rule that says if the inventory stock is greater than 0, and we would show a campaign if the inventory stock was between those two thresholds. The other types of campaigns you can do here are, for example, like a new site visitor campaign. So if we wanted to do a message that says like, looks like you're new here, would love for you to sign up for our newsletter or our loyalty program with a hyperlink over to that Klaviyo landing page. You can come in here and you can just choose number of site visits. You can make that like less than 5, for example, and then we'll only show to those site visitors. You can incorporate all of your site visitor data, customer data from Klaviyo, cart data, dollar amount that's in the cart, anything of that nature can all be incorporated here together with and or if this and then that rules that essentially determine for complexity around dynamic content across your site. The next step is for you to determine if you want scheduling rules with a start date and an end date, and then publish this content live in a matter of minutes on your site. Let me show you a little bit about what it looks like. So if we go into the product page of Duke, for example, this content can either just be simple text-based messages, what we call a text element like this one. This is telling us how close we are to free shipping and telling us what to add to cart to qualify. Or it can be more visual content like a banner. This one includes a background color and can also include optional icons. The other type of content that we offer on the collection page is image overlays on top of the images on the collection page with things like sold out, new, this product qualifies for free shipping, anything of that nature on the images themselves. And then we can also do text-based content and banner content on the collection page, either above the product grid, in between the product grid, or even at the bottom. And all of that is, again, based off of all of those different data points. So showing specific message on only particular collections, or even having persistent messaging throughout the site that will tell the site visitor how close they are to free shipping or anything of that nature. All of this is with an A/B testing focus. So you can turn all of these campaigns into an A/B test where 50% of the site visitors will see the message, the other 50% will not, and then they can track the impact on the far right to see impact on add to cart rate, conversion rate, revenue lift, all of the above. Alternatively, you can also test one campaign versus another if you want to test out like copy or position or even design to see which one works best. Anyways, that's a little bit of an overview of Because. If you're interested in checking out a demo, head over to trybecause.com and click the Get Started button, or email our team at learn@becauseIntelligence.com and we will get you set up. Cheers.